The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get all of our harnesses and our caution tape set up, get our ladders, just make sure we're drinking water.
Hydrate.
Just stay hydrated. Yep. Then we are going to start to mark out the roof where our panels are going to be. We're getting ready to install our feet for our rails, and then after that we're going to be installing our rails. The rails hold the panels off the shingles so they're not hanging on the shingles. First, we grounded each rail into this bus bar right here, and that is going to ground each array that we do. So all 3 arrays will be grounded, and then we are wiring up the microinverters that will connect to the solar panels, so they will produce power once we turn everything on. My man over there, he's caulking each and every individual footing that we have attached to the rails just for extra safety. Take every measure that we can, prevent any leakage. Our final stage before we commission the system is we have to tap into their main breaker here, or their main disconnect with our line side taps and our CTs, which our CTs are basically the communication house that communicates the whole system and shows what they're producing. And after we do this, we're able to commission the system, which it will break off just like this. Just like that. And that's how we know that it's torqued fully. And that's it. Now we're ready to turn the system on and get it commissioned.
Schedule your free assessment today by giving us a call at 513-848-3529.